Good afternoon. My name is Tanu Virmani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS Speaking Test. Can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Shikha.
How can I call you?
You can call me Shikha.
Can I see your identification?
Yes, certainly. Here's my passport.
Let's talk about your daily routine. What do you usually do on a typical day?
To be honest, nowadays I have very hectic schedule. So it's a lots of studies and going to and from college and doing my English IELTS practice.
Do you like having a fixed routine?
Certainly not. It's quite boring and monotonous for me to have a fixed routine all day. I really like to have different things and exploring nice, exciting things.
Has your routine changed recently?
Honestly, recently my routine have become more busy and monotonous as compared to the past days. Previously, I was not that much stressed about my career, but now, due to global competition, I just want to excel in my career.
Would you like to change your routine in the future?
If I have got a chance to do so, then definitely I would. For that, I'm working hard to achieve what I can.
Okay. Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music, but it depends on my mood whether I have to listen or not. I basically listen to music when I'm traveling or when I need something to relax my mind.
What kind of music do you like?
About the music genres, but I like it. My taste basically depends upon the tones of the music. Yes, sure, ma'am. Okay, okay. Sorry,
It's okay.
sorry, there were disturbance.
Okay.
Can you start again, please?
Yes. What kind of music do you like?
Well, my music taste don't have any particular genre, but I really like calm and soothful music because it calms my nerves and relaxes me in a great extent.
When do you usually listen to music?
Usually, I listen to the music when I'm traveling or when I have a bad day. Then I always try to put on the music to relax my nerves and have a good mood.
Has your taste in music changed over time?
Certainly, I would definitely say that because initially I didn't like that uh, soft music. I was more into the party music, but now I have just turned towards the soft and the calm music.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also
Okay.
make notes if you wish. If you want to book your one-on-one speaking test with me, so बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। You can start speaking now.
Uh, well, my life is full of experiences, so some other person have a positive effect on my life in one way or another. but the person I would like to discuss about is my cousin sister. Her name is Chetna. I am very much influenced by her presence and her peace of mind. She's in my family relation, so that's how I met her. She's very elder to me, like 10 to 12 years elder to me, but still we just vibe like friends. She is multi-talented, I think. Why I relate to her to her most was because she already struggled in her life so much, still achieved the government positions in various exams. uh, i have learned very I have learned a lot of things from her, mainly about the mental peace, because she is very spiritual. She asked me to read a lot of books about spirituality, and I think she is the main character in my life who turned my life into spiritual ways. uh, I have a personality flaw, I think, which is self doubt, which always makes my opportunities like taken away from my hand. So she was always there to cater to this problem. I have always asked for her opinion in one way or another. She was always there for me and encouraged me, motivated me to do well in life. Even though when I was failing in my career and was not able to decide which career to choose, then also she just stepped ahead to motivate me and inspire me in a good way. After hearing her struggles of life, I just thought like everyone goes through one this phase, and I had that caliber to do well in life. So her presence is very much special to me. She has very positive aura. Have conversation with her. She's very generous and benevolent. I really liked her, and I think she is the best person that can guide me through my career.
Let's talk about role models. Why are role models important in people's life?
Well, in my perspective, role models are very crucial, as we can learn a great varieties of good qualities from them. For example, if I think positively about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, then I will definitely be more generous and hardworking, because he also came from a humble background and still achieved so much in his life. So I particularly think him as my role model. So it really gives me so much positivity to follow his footsteps.
Do you think young people need role models today?
Well, in my opinion, I certainly think that young people should have a role model to have positive opinion and a positive feedback for their life, because they are very much influenced by social media. Youngsters just follow the trend of online platforms, and whatever they see on the social media, they deliberately copy that. But if they had something in their mind of a role model, then they definitely would inspire in that field.
Can celebrities be good role models?
I would say yes, because some celebrities are not a product of nepotism. They build themselves from a very poor or a humble background. Their generosity and hard work cel- keeps their famousness alive. I think young generation can learn that from them, apart from the celebrities that are just the byproduct of the nepotism.
Let's talk about personal development. Do schools focus enough on personal development?
Certainly not. If I talk about Indian school system, it's basically depend upon the rote learning and exam oriented. But in other countries, a lot of focus is developed on the career development. But I think in Indian education system should also give the feedback to students on their personality to enhance their character, so that they can also one day stand in the society and have firm opinion about themselves and others.
What skills should school teach besides academics?
To be honest, there are a lot of skills that schools should teach apart from academic. The foremost thing is the financial learning, like they should teach students about the finance. And the second is personal development. How to communicate is also a basic skill that all the youngsters of our country, I think, lack. These are the skills that schools should cater into students so they can be a well-behaved citizens of our society.
How can education prepare people for the future?
Education plays a crucial role in developing a nation because it provides not only the academic values but also the moral values into students. Every ethical thing we have, or every moral thing we have, is learned from the schools, because school is a basic foundation where we learn everything. When the communication skills are taught well in the schools, then the students have more confidence to excel in their career and have a firm decisions to build their personality.
Thank you so much, Shikha. That is the end of your speaking test. Just give me a second and I'll share you the
Thank you,
feedback.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So, Shikha, your estimated band is band 6. What I observe in your speaking test is that there were repetition of ideas like monotonous, certainly, certainly, yes, honestly. Frequently, you were actually repeating some common words, right? So, when you repeat certain words many times, especially the common words, it actually lower downs your lexical resource. So, instead of repeating these words, try to look for more advanced vocabulary. I even noticed some hesitations and fillers like and self corrections with the long pauses, which actually affect your fluency and your coherence band score. Instead of that, you can think for 1 to 2 seconds before speaking, and you can use some linking phrases, right? Just say, well, in my opinion. That's an interesting question. Let me think about it. So these things, they give you time to organize your thoughts. And there was some small grammar mistakes which I observed the government position in exam. So there was some subject verb agreement, there was some missing articles, and the tenses error as well. Work more on the sentence structure, please. Try practicing the complex sentences. Okay. In
Okay.
part 3, your part 3 answers were a bit short. So please try to develop your ideas. With some strategies, try to expand it more, which will automatically increase your band score. Okay? Okay. So
Right.
please keep on practicing. Wish you very all the best for your exam.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Bye.